All right, good morning. We're going to take a look at some substitution problems, and this is just an opportunity for you to do some problems and check your answers. All right, let's get started. All right, on the first one, go ahead and try that. All right, let's check our answer. We're going to take that, substitute it into there. So we have x plus 2 times 3x plus 4 equals 29. Distribute that. I always put the parentheses with it so I don't forget to distribute. All right. So I'm going to combine my like terms. This is 7x plus 8 equals 29. Now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 8 from both sides. 7x equals 21. Divide by 7, x equals 3. So we have the point 3, comma. Now we're going to take that value and substitute it back into either one. This is the one I want to use because it's already y equals. So that's going to be 3 times 3 plus 4, which is 13. So that's my answer. All right, go ahead and try the next one. All right, let's check our answer. Again, I'm going to put parentheses around it and substitute it in there. Negative 3x plus 3 times 3 plus x equals 4. Distribute. Oops, that's 9, not 9x, equals 4. So I'm going to combine like terms. Holy cow, check this out. So let's see what happens. This ends up going away, and I end up with this. Well, what that means is the lines are parallel. So there's no solution, right? Just don't forget what we're doing. These are lines that we can graph and see what they look like. All right. All right, try the next one. All right, let's check your answer. Again, I'm going to put parentheses and just replace. This is actually an easier one because there's less work happening here, right? I'm going to divide by 3, x equals 4. So we have 4, comma. Now I'm going to just substitute this back into here. Y equals 2 times 4, which is 8. Done. Okay, let's go and try that one. Now this one's just like this, except I'm going to put it in for the x, right? Because they give me x, so it's going to go in here. So 3y minus 1 plus 2y equals 9. I could still put the parentheses. I don't need them there because there's nothing to distribute. So this is 5y minus 1 equals 9. Add 1, 5y equals 10. Divide by 5, y equals 2. So when I put it in my answer, I want to make sure that I put the 2 in the y spot. I'm still going to substitute that in here, but make sure you put it in for y. So this is going to be 6 minus 1, which is 5. All right, let's try another one. All right, let's check it. Substitute that in again for x. 4y plus 1 minus 3y equals 12. I'm going to distribute. So this is going to be 5y plus 2 equals 12. Minus 2 from both sides. Divide by 5. Y equals 2. Remember, that's going to go in the y spot. Oops, there we go. All right, now that's going to get substituted in order for me to solve for x. X equals 4 times 2 plus 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. All right, okay, I'm going to do that again. Go ahead and try this one. All right, so this is just like before. I'm going to just replace it right in here. I almost circled the wrong one. Negative x plus 5 equals 10. So now I have to be careful. See that negative sign? That's going to go with it. So it's going to be x, negative and a negative make positive 4x. Did you write that? Okay, so this is going to be minus 20 equals 10. 5x minus 20 equals 10. Now I'm just going to solve it like I normally would. 5x equals 30, and x equals 6. So it's going to be 6, comma, and again, I'm going to substitute that in here. All right, the 6 went in where the x was, so that's going to be negative 1. And there you go. All right, try the next side. All right, try that one. that's going to go in for the y. Hopefully these are getting a little bit easier for you as you start to see the pattern. 3x minus 3 equals 15. Going to add 3 to both sides. 3x equals 18 divided by 3, x equals 6. So it's going to be 6 comma, and then again, I'm going to substitute that in here. So 2 times 6 minus 3 equals 12 minus 3, which is 9. Okay, go ahead and try the next one. All right, again, this is going to go in for the y. X plus 3x plus 11 equals 3. This becomes 4x plus 11 minus 11 to both sides. That's going to be negative 8, right? Because the negative sign goes with the bigger number. Divide by 4. X equals negative 2. And I'm going to plug it in here. Y is 3 times negative 2 plus 11. Negative 6 plus 11 is just 5. All right. Look at this one. Go ahead and try it. Let me give you a hint in case. If you could do the one before it, let's make this one look like it. All right, let's check. So we have x plus y equals 3. We're going to minus x from both sides. So y equals negative x plus 3. Now I can substitute it in there, but still be careful because when I put it in there, that's a minus sign. You can't leave stuff out, all right? So this negative is going to distribute through. So you have 2x plus x minus 3, right? Because a negative and negative make a positive. We're going to combine like terms. I'm going to add 3. 3x equals negative 6. Divide by 3, x equals negative 2. So negative 2 comma, and then that's going to go up in there. So y equals negative 2 plus 3, which is 2 plus 3, or just 5. All right. Try that one. That one's done the same way as this one. Okay, so now I'm going to add x to both sides. So y equals x plus 6. So now I'm going to substitute this into that one. X plus 6 minus 4x equals 0. I'm going to combine like terms. And then I'm going to move the 6. Don't forget that 0 is a number, so don't just not write it. Divide by negative 3, x equals 2. So I have my answer 2 comma, and then I'm just going to plug in the 2 in here. All right. This is 2 comma 8. What I'd also like you to do is do the next two and enter your answers in for 11 and 12. And in class, we'll talk about those if you got stuck. All right? All right. If you have any questions, please put it in the chat. Have a good day.